by and take a look at the 2020 Toyota 86. The Toyota 86 provides an explosive driving experience. The power and suspension will remind you that you're behind the wheel of a true sports car. Not only does the exterior supply a bold look, but the interior will remind you that you're sitting in a premium vehicle and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear performance, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, remote trunk release. Come take a test drive today.